Welcome to Cottonweed's Quilt Shop. We are going to start a daily video update called the Daily Fabric Fondle, and we will feature fabric lines. We will show you what Lori and Michelle are up to, and we will give you suggestions for sewing projects. We hope that you will enjoy checking out some of the new fabric that is still being delivered to Cottonweeds, and we hope that you will enjoy seeing what we're working on and getting some ideas. Keep in mind that although the store is closed, we are taking orders by phone and online. Go to cottonweeds.com for our link to our online store, and you can call us for anything that you may need during this time that we are closed. We can arrange for pickup, or we can try to arrange for delivery to your home, especially if you need necessities such as thread. Today we will be unboxing something that just came from UPS. Oh, FedEx, I guess it says it right there on the label. FedEx. So it's very exciting when we get a box of goodies here in the shop. We like to check the label and see where our fabric came from. In this case, P&B Textiles. So it should be something real good inside. Let's check it out. Try to cut this one-handed. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this looks pretty. Let's see what we got. Check this out. How cute is this? Let's touch. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh. Pretty. Look at that. Alright, what else we got in here? Oh, cuteness. More cuteness. That will make an adorable quilt, right? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the hippo. Oh, so cute. Look at this cuteness. This will be available online, cottonweeds.com, our new online shopping. This is not coming out very pink, I think, on the camera. This has a pink background to the flowers. I'm not sure why. It looks a little white in the video, but it's pink. Oh, let's touch it. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Nice. So again, this is the Little Darlings collection from P&B Textiles. Oh my gosh. Seriously, folks. Really. Look at that. Oh. Very, very cute. So that's today's edition of the Daily Fabric Fondle. Thanks for joining us in unboxing one of our exciting deliveries.